Aren't you supposed to be feeding that to the birdies? But that's for the birds.
Yeah.
But why are you eating it?